Hey, it is Rue. Today we are making a Michelada. Are you ready to make this drink? Let's go. Okay, let's grab our ingredients. You're gonna need a beer. I have here Corona, Clamato Juice, Worcestershire Sauce, Tajin, a hot sauce. I have here Tabasco, lime, and a soy sauce. 7 items. To make this drink, grab these tools. Ice, a highball glass, a plate, a knife, a jigger, and a bar spoon. Let's cut our lime. Roll the lime first, just so that you can get more juice. Set the limes aside. Grab the Tajin, pour it on the plate. Squeeze the lime around the rim. Dip the rim in the plate. The rim should look like this. Fill your cup with ice halfway. Grab your Worcestershire sauce and put in 3 dashes. Grab your Tabasco and put about 3 dashes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put 3 dashes of soy sauce into the highball glass. I think that was 3. Grab your Clamato juice. We're gonna fill the glass maybe like halfway, but we'll be using the jigger to measure 4 ounces. Take the rest of your Tajin here and just give it a quick dash into the drink. Now we're ready for our beer. Open your beer and pour. Grab your lime, squeeze it in to the drink. I'm actually going to use a full lime. Grab your bar spoon, give the drink a nice stir. And the last step is to garnish. And there you go, a Michelada. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.